doggy. Look who's up there. We've got the Asphalt company here and they are going to be prepping the road today. That road is going to look so much different and I cannot wait. I don't even care so much the look, the feel. It's a wild ride and it's gonna feel so much better when they're done.
Oh baby, this is a big day we've got coming. He has spent one day already leveling this ground. What they did was they got rid of all of the old material we had here that was like gravel, grunge material that we had there so that it wasn't so muddy so we could get in and out of the garages and not be tracking such bad mud. If this stuff gets wet, it is glue to your feet. Since we've created these borders of what the driveway was going to be, I took any little bit of extra pit run that was off to the sides and put it back there. Through years of plowing, it pushes it away, it disperses it a little bit. So we brought it back into where it needs to be, and then he slowly pushed it down here. So that is the extent of where we're at right now. Now, today, they are going to finish leveling this pit run off, getting it set below grade. Then they're going to start bringing in road base. Road base is a finer and more compactable material that will make it just glass smooth, pretty much. Next week, we will start seeing asphalt be put down and we'll pave this guy so that it is just nice and smooth and clean and just perfect from here on out.
The road grading, it's happening. It's been, I think, 2 weeks. Stuff just gets shuffled and moved. It's just part of it.
Everything that's been built up on a driveway so far is pit run. It is like a 4 to 6 inch rock with a little bit of sand mixed in. Now we're gonna be packing on road base. Road base is a 1/2 inch to maybe 1.5 inch style. It packs a little bit tighter and finer. You can totally see the difference it makes. That looks so good down there. Makes me wish we would have concreted all the way up. Maybe later.
Gosh, it's incredible to see this take shape. I mean, they've been here all day. The kids came home and they were like, this looks amazing. What do you think, Joel?
Oh, I wish I could almost leave it like that.
Well, here's the thing, a lot of people do, but with our winters, we'd rip this right up.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
I would need to buy a steamroller and a skid steer to maintain it.
Yeah, we just want it done, one and done.
It's cheaper, yeah.
One and done. Boy, howdy, I like seeing all the equipment come down the driveway. But also, that's a little intimidating. That's a big machine. Ay, ay, ay.
All our equipment is here and we have had to move all of our vehicles off of the driveway. For 24 hours, we can't be on this. Luckily, it's cooled off quite a bit, so we can actually be on this earlier. Normally in the summer times when it's really, really hot, you know, July or early August, you're pouring, you can't be on this for a long time because it's just too hot and soft still. But luckily it's nice and cool in the mornings, so by tomorrow we'll be able to drive on the driveway. They just told me when this comes out of the batch, or when it comes out of the plant, it's 300. Oh my gosh, you can't touch that. It's so hot. They said the batch comes out at about 300 degrees.
in the middle of summer, you stand on the back of that paver, it's like 290 degrees under your feet all day.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not really fun.
So this is not what I was thinking it would be. I kind of thought it was like runny, like a runny tar or something.
That's if you do like a seal coating.
Wow.
So like a year after this is done, that's what you'll want to do, a seal coat. And that's just a liquid tar that they spray on. And all it does is it's like a conditioner for the asphalt. So it doesn't let the asphalt dry out. Because once the asphalt dries out, that's when it starts breaking. But if you seal coat it, it causes it to stay so it doesn't dry out. And you don't have to worry about potholes so much.
Nice. Half the road, they've got asphalt on, half the road they're not yet. Oh, I just cannot believe the difference. There's no words to say other than how excited I am. Long time coming. The truck, they have to back down backwards because there's no place for them to turn around now because they can't go on top of the just laid asphalt. So he's got to back it all the way up, which is kind of funny. These were really good. That looks so much more clean. Here's kind of a bird's eye view from up top. That looks so great, Joel.
The concrete looks pretty good.
Yeah, your concrete looks pretty good. That's so fun to see it from up here. This is the first time I'm seeing it done up here. This is actually the first time I'm seeing the road up here. They kind of went to a raw edge because we didn't do the concrete all the way up. We started the concrete right here, which, you know what? I think it's fantastic. It's fine. I like what they did. They didn't just leave like a raw edge right here. What they did was mix kind of the dirt in with the rest of the concrete right here. So we still have like a hard base, but if ever the road up here gets done, they can chip this up pretty easily and then they'll be able to butt it right up against our road. So are we gonna drive down this thing or what? Apparently I get to be the one that gets to be the first one to pull onto this pavement. Our neighbors were pretty excited for us, and I know it's because they know how exciting it is to have your road done. Joel is smiling at me. He just pulled his phone out. He's probably gonna send a picture to a friend or something. Yeah.
Seeing the tire tracks is amazing. That's so fun.
Did you just take a picture of me?
Well, I was looking at the tire tracks. They were fun. I like that.
Who are you gonna send that to?
Hey, I'm gonna send it to you. You can have it.
Oh, okay, here. Guess I get to be the first one
get
to
the-
stroll down the road. This is smooth. This is smooth.
Oh, you're not bouncing?
Oh my heck. Oh my heck. As Sister Rock would say.
That's right.
Oh my heck.
This is oh my heck worthy.
Ran into Sister Rock's nephew today. Niece today. Alrighty.
So fun.
This is so fun.
Easy, this road's brand new. Don't be breaking it in hard.
Well, I feel like I can't see in this, and it feels so much more narrow.
That's crazy.
What did I just hear?
Nothing?
It feels so narrow.
That's crazy. We've been driving down the same path the whole time.
Yeah, but when there was
Nothing.
But when there was no like parameters
Sides.
on you, you
felt like the road
had
was
the whole
bigger.
road.
Yeah, I get that.
It feels so narrow.
It didn't feel narrow when we were on the dirt, did it? Like with the dirt and the cement?
Well, I mean, it kind of did. Feels the most narrow.
Huh. Well, that's all right. It's a narrow, good road.
All right, home sweet home. That was easy. No bouncing around.
Thanks for the lift.
Well, I think it's safe to say that the kids are really enjoying the driveway being done. Well, I think we've waited long enough. We gave it more time than they said because we really didn't want to drive on it when we shouldn't. So we are free to let everybody come drive on it.